children do mathematics at home. Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about an important topic: how parents can help their children to excel in mathematics. As a parent, you play a crucial role in your child's education. We'll be discussing personality traits, settings, and time of day, effort, comfort, structure, and support for parents who lack finances or expertise. We hope that by the end of this presentation, you will be inspired and confident in your ability to support your child's learning journey. Personality traits play a crucial role in success in any field. Encourage your child to develop these traits: curiosity, persistence, creativity, focus, and a growth mindset. As a parent, cultivate these traits in your child by providing opportunities for exploration, teaching delayed gratification, and supporting their endeavors even when they show reluctance or fail. The best setting for your child to do math homework is a quiet, distraction-free space with no television or mobile devices around. Give them access to plenty of natural light, comfortable chairs, and a stable surface to work on. The workspace should be organized, spacious, and welcoming. The best time of day to do math homework is the early morning, when the mind is fresh and well-rested. Alternatively, choose a time that works best for your child's schedule, and keep a consistent schedule so that your child knows what to expect. Encourage your child to work on easily solvable problems first before diving into more difficult ones. Offer encouraging words and reassurance when they get frustrated. Help them focus on the process of getting there, not just the result. Structure is crucial in ensuring that your child's math homework is successful. Help your child develop a system for organizing their work and checking their answers, and provide examples if necessary. Break the homework into small, manageable chunks, and use a timer to ensure they take breaks regularly. If you lack finances or expertise, don't worry. There are still plenty of ways to support your child's learning journey. You can get my course and books in the resource list at the end. They are simple reads and easy to follow along. In conclusion, as a parent, you play a vital role in helping your child excel in mathematics. By cultivating the right personality traits, providing a perfect setting, choosing the right time of day to study, providing effort, comfort, creating proper structure, and seeking support when needed, you can ensure that your child develops a love for math, continues to improve their skills, and sets themselves up for success in future. Resource list. Get the parent course at https://horatio-s-site.thinkific.com. Books on Amazon. https://www.amazon.ca/horatio-morgan/e/b0b4gd2hw4